guys, Lan here on GradysMom. I am doing a box swap today and I'm super excited. It is with my friend Crystal Tara here on YouTube. We have collaborated together and definitely built a friendship over the past few years. She has an awesome channel, so if you like vlogs, like day in the lifestyle videos, home decor videos, haul videos, definitely head over to her channel after you watch this video and check out what I purchased for her in the box swap, as well as show her channel some love because you guys are gonna love her. She's a mom of 4. She is super sweet. She's like a ray of sunshine to me. So we actually shopped for each other for this box swap, and I just opened mine here, the tape part, and I'm gonna unbox everything and show you what I got. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm gonna give you a view of what I'm seeing. First, I'll put this over here. So first there is a card, and it says, Leanne, thank you so much for doing the box swap with me. Thank you for being someone I call a friend. I hope you enjoy these things even if it doesn't feel like spring yet. Love, Crystal Tara. So I'm super excited because I love her taste and her style. So I'm just gonna start opening everything up and I'll show you guys everything she picked for me. Okay, so the first thing is this Unicorn Glow Hologram Mask. It says detox and brightening. Very excited for that because I'm just starting to get it back into sheet masks. I do a lot of like leave-on masks, but I really want to start getting into sheet masks. I'm super excited for this, and this box smells so good. So I'm gonna, I will surely find the culprit of what is making the box smell amazing ever since I opened up the tape. Okay, the next thing is a Caribou Coffee Amy's Blend Dark Roast Ground Coffee, and I've actually used this brand before, this Caribou Coffee. It's really good. So I'm excited for this because we actually brew a pot of coffee Saturdays and Sundays, so this will be perfect for this weekend. So thank you, Crystal. You know I love my coffee, girl. Okay, next up is these super cute, these are so cute, these super cute Cactus Pens, and then this notebook, which I love anything notebooky because I'm definitely like a list person. This is really cute. So this will be perfect for planning out what I need to do for the day, for the week, that kind of thing, and it's really pretty as well. So this is super cute. Thank you for that. Love the little Cactus Pens. Okay, there's so much stuff in this box. Okay, next up is, ooh, these look good. These are the Happy Yummies Milk Chocolate Dipped Gummy Bears. I've had milk chocolate dipped gummy bears. Now, I don't think this brand, but these look super good. Very excited to dig into these probably right after I'm done unboxing this because I have a sweet tooth. Okay, the next thing is, ooh, this is cute. This is the Rifle Paper Company. It's a collab for L'Occitane. I think I'm butchering that. I think it's L'Occitane, but it's the trio of hand creams. And there is Shea Butter Hand Cream, Almond Delicious, and Wonderful Rose Hand Cream. And my hands are super dry, so this is perfect. I was just saying to my husband, my hands are like alligator skin because it's been so dry and cold here. So I'm very excited for that. And I like that they're small because I can fit them like right in my bag. Ooh, I love this. I absolutely love this. It's like a heavy marble bunny. It says genuine marble, and it's on this wooden little stand. It's made in India. And if you guys have been following my channel for a while, you know I have a love for anything bunnies because my mother likes bunnies. So I kind of carried that throughout my life. Love this, and this is gonna be perfect. I'm gonna put this on my double kitchen window to decorate for spring. Super cute. I love this. This is exactly something that I would pick out. Love that. Okay, next up are some kitchen towels, which is perfect. There is this sort of like light green and white, kind of like a buffalo check, and then like a sage green color one. And this is from the Threshold brand at Target, and I love these. And they're actually really soft, and I can tell they're gonna be really absorbent. So these are perfect for spring. Next up, ooh, these are pretty. These are stone coasters in assorted designs. Ooh, these are pretty. I love this. I'm just a sucker for green, guys. Especially like this kind of green. So these are stone coasters. So here's the first one. The second one looks like just sort of a floral print. The third one looks like this. Super pretty. Kind of looks like hydrangeas a little bit. And then the last one is this leaf design. These are really pretty, and these will be perfect for actually this room because we sit in this room a lot, and these are perfect for drinks. Love those. And I love anything kind of stone. Pretty. And then next up is this caramel corn. I love this stuff. It reminds me of like going to a fair or a carnival or something. And I've had this before. It's really, really good. Very excited to dig into that. This is the culprit. It smells so good. This is a, let's see, it's like a scented satchel, a sachet it says. And this will be something that I would probably put like in a closet or a drawer. It's super cute. And it smells amazing. It smelled up the whole box right when I opened it. Okay, next up is a candle. And this is from Target. It's the Signature Soy brand in Sweet Pea. That smells good. So this is a double wick, guys. Here's what the front looks like. I don't know if or Target has any notes on the bottom like Bath & Body Works. But honestly, if you're familiar with the Bath & Body Works Old Scent Sweet Pea, it smells very similar to that. And it reminds me of something. It reminds me of something. Maybe jelly beans? I don't know exactly how to explain it. But it's like that sweet pea scent from Bath & Body Works with like a little bit of jelly bean or something mixed into it. It smells really, really good. And then lastly, ooh, I love this. Look how cute. It's a Yeti Rambler 14-ounce mug. It says the coffee wrangling heat locking camp cup. This is perfect. This is really cute. I do have a regular Yeti like tumbler cup, like a tall tumbler cup, and I use it all the time. I don't have anything like this. I love this color. And actually we're going camping this summer, so this is perfect. But this is perfect for me, guys, for every day. Because I don't know about you, you're probably the same. You make your coffee and then it's cold and you end up having to microwave it like 5 times. So this will solve that problem. I'm super excited for this. It also says you can use it for hot cocoa, oatmeal, chili, peach cobbler, so you can use it for food. I never even thought to use it for food. It says you can use it for food or drinks. And it says, I'm so excited for this. No sweating, double wall vacuum insulation. It's really heavy. It's so pretty. And it has a little like sip spout right here where you could sip the coffee out of. How pretty is that? I love this. Thank you so much, Crystal. So I'm gonna give you guys an overview of everything. And I love everything she picked out for me. I am super excited about this. I think I'm gonna wash this right now and make a cup of coffee because I don't know why, I just never thought to buy one of these for myself. And I absolutely love it, and she picked the perfect color for me. I'm always just a sucker for that kind of light, pastel-y, sort of minty green. And this is so pretty. I'm definitely gonna use this today to run some errands and see how it holds up because it's a pretty cold day out. So first and foremost, thank you so much, Crystal, for doing this swap with me. It's been such a pleasure for me to build a friendship with you over these past few years. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you head over to Crystal's channel. I'll link the video down below so you guys can see everything I picked out for her. And I will see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna show you quickly before I let you go all the things she got me, again, kind of an overview. And once again, thank you for watching. Bye.